now?
Like to the second floor.
Yeah, and it smells.
It smells
okay.
It smells.
We're trying to get rid of it.
Yeah, we're trying to finish this up. Sorry.
Cabbage.
Yeah.
Cabbage. They're boiling cabbage.
It's that we're not eating that. It's like we're
Yeah,
not
just like
getting
broccoli.
The vegetable.
Smell it from the second
Can't
floor.
eat it.
No.
We opened it and we thought there was a plumbing issue.
Yeah, that's legit what it smells like from outside, dude. We
It's
thought.
like a plumbing. It doesn't even smell like cabbage. It smells like a plumbing.
Don't smell the cabbage though.
Smell that cabbage.
A little bit more. So should we add more? Just a smidge, I think. Oh, that's not a smidge. It's okay.
Our pancake.
Oh god.
So first is the control.
Right.
Everybody ready for the control?
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna vomit.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I already threw it.
Just act like you did it.
Fluffy pancake.
Yeah,
There's like a
there's a tiny hint of cabbage.
But you put
Put syrup on it.
put syrup on
yeah.
it. It's like a good.
Powdered sugar or something? Butter even?
Yeah.
I don't know that right.
Do we have to finish the whole thing?
No. But it tastes good.
You don't eat the whole thing.
Not fan of cabbage.
No, I'm just worried about it. That's gonna be the last one.
No, please.
Last one.
It's gonna be the last one. Okay. So let's give this a rating.
7.
A 7?
I'd say a good 7, yeah.
Yeah. I'd say like a 7.5. I like the fluffiness.
7.5. I like the taste.
Or
Yeah.
just 7.
It's not bad.
So average. That's like average. Good.
Yeah.
Alright, the next one.
No. Next one. Banana.
All right.
Yes. Banana.
Banana.
Everybody take a piece.
Okay. Dude, this one's cold.
Yeah, because it's been out.
Oh, was it the first one we
Yeah,
made?
this was literally the first one we made.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody, cheers. Let's see.
Oh.
I just tasted banana.
Mm. The coldness.
It's pretty cold.
I forgot I don't like banana pancakes in general.
Oh my god.
You
Up. It tastes fine if you like banana.
It gets rid of the cabbage bed. Yo, you know baking soda is like a toothbrush basically?
Yeah, I know, but I ain't eating toothpaste. I'm not gonna lie, I almost gagged while eating this.
It's so cold.
It's cold and banana's slimy.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's cold and slimy, it's just not a pleasant texture.
yeah, if it was hot and not mushed bananas.
Yeah.
Let's start with Josh again. What's the rating? An 8?
8. Higher
Okay.
than the... Wow,
really?
Yeah, because it has
It's-
at least flavor.
Yeah, the cabbage is good.
I'm giving it like a 6, dude.
Damn,
you don't like-
he doesn't like
Your
banana.
body is getting
Get out of
I'd give it an 8.
Yeah, a solid 8 too.
Okay.
Average 8.
Alright, so these pretty good. Alright. This is pineapple.
non-pineapple.
Or at least the most strong type of
Yeah, because there's pineapple in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
hold on.
Pineapple.
Bon appetit. I like the pineapple.
Low-key, I feel like I had this before somewhere.
These are disgusting.
Oh,
I almost choked.
It's not that bad.
hey, the trash can's over there, bro.
I don't like it.
No?
No.
Honestly, it's not that bad to me.
Yeah, I've had something like this. My grandma made something like this before.
our first tap out. The pineapple mayonnaise.
The trash can is over there.
The texture of the bottom.
I told you not to mush it, dude.
Boy, but
Oh my god.
We're gonna have the whole
we
chunk.
should have had the pineapple juice in the first place.
Yeah, that's why I
Oh.
said not to mush it. We'll have chunks. That's what you do with pancakes. You don't mush it into there.
Right.
All right,
6.
Josh gives it a 6.
I give it a 4.
A 4? Okay.
Makes me want to cry.
6.5. I feel like it could be way better.
A 5.
5. Alright, our lowest rated one so far.
It's getting progressively worse. Dude.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Alright.
This is
Next up is the almond ones.
Oh God. It's so dry.
I just bite a brick. It's so crunchy. That bite of brick, I just bite a brick.
Oh, it's so burnt too.
Okay. Starting with Josh.
4. I give it a 5.
I give it a 3.
I give it a 5. It's bland, so it's in the middle.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this one.
now the main course.
I think we should let these two.
The problem was that we can't find any basic fruits or basic vegetables that we could use, right? So we decided, what's basic? Baking soda. We just added a shit ton of baking soda and this is the result. Alright.
Disappointment.
Pick my poison.
Oh no. Oh, I'm so scared.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Okay. Now, so prediction of how it would taste. Anybody?
Dude, it smells so
This is gonna taste like garbage,
It
bro.
smells like
So
sodium.
garbage.
It's gonna taste
No, it's like garbage. I'm talking like bitter as hell.
It's gonna taste
seawater.
seawater.
I think
mixed with
seawater will taste better.
Seawater mixed with extreme bitterness. All right.
Ready? You gonna throw up, bro?
Oh no, it's good.
No, what if we just, alright, what if we all do it just like
Just take a bite, David.
We're just taking a bite. We're not gonna force anyone to finish it.
So wild, dude.
All right. Ready? 3,
let me
2,
grab this part.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's so powdery. I taste the powder.
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh no,
That was disgusting.
No.
Wait, there's some bits. Oh my god, I'm crying. That was disgusting. Why did we do that? Oh.
Dude, it was like fine for a minute, and then I can feel the baking soda like.
Yeah, it's just grinding against your teeth.
Yeah.
Oh, that was the most disgusting thing. I can't smell salt.
I think I assaulted my taste buds.
Yeah, I can't swallow this. It's nasty.
Did anybody actually down it?
No, no one.
No one
could
successfully
finish-
swallowed it. All right.
No one could finish this.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away. I'm sick of this life, I just wanna